Hello, today we are going to introduce how to use the UAS Portal app. After you have completed your drone registration and pilot license application on the website, the next step before flying your drone is to submit a flight request again through this app. Download the UAS Portal app and log in with your CAAT username and password. You can change the language in settings, Thai or English. The first time you log in, the app will show a short tutorial. Just press next until the end. Airspace colors. The map shows 3 types of zones. Here's a little tip from us. Green zone. Upload required documents. NBTC license, pilot license, drone insurance. Blue zones and yellow zones. Contact number. And please use the screenshot and translate in Google. Requesting in blue and yellow zones. The app will warn you and show the contact number for the area owner. You must first get written permission from the landowner/airport, then upload it in the app. Checking and downloading your permit. Go to menu request to check status. Draft, pending, approved, rejected or cancelled. If approved, open the request, click status, approved. Tap the download icon, arrow, save the permit. If rejected, you can correct and resubmit immediately. If approved, open the request, click status, approved. Tap the download icon, save the permit. After receiving approval, and before flying the drone, please make sure to send an email to anti-drone. Before flying, tap Start Flight in the app. After finishing, tap End Flight to send flight data to E. We wish you an enjoyable drone flight.